Hello everyone, in this video, we are gonna learn about the activities and life cycle of an activity in Android system. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So basically, an activity is a window in which you can place your UI elements like buttons, edit text, text views, and images, etc. An activity is often presented to the user as full-screen windows, but activities can also be used as floating windows. To create an activity, you need to declare it in the Android manifest file. Lifecycle of an activity. Activities in the Android system are managed as activity stacks. When a new activity is started, it is usually placed on the top of the current stack, and becomes the running activity. So here, we have two activities. Activity 1 and Activity 2. Activity 1 first opened on the application launch. So Activity Stack has Activity 1 on the top. And when we opened Activity 2 by clicking on the button. So now, the Activity Stack has two activities in it, and Activity 2 is on the top. So, when we open Activity 1 again. So here, the Activity Stack has three activities in it. Because when the Start Activity method is called, Android system creates a new instance of the activity. The previous activity always remains below it in the stack, and will not come to the foreground again until the new activity exits. An activity is destroyed or exits when the finish method is called. Basically, the activity lifecycle has 6 states. On create, on start, on resume, on pause, on stop, and on destroy. On create method is called when an activity is first opened. On start method is called when the widgets and layouts are created and visible to the user. On resume method is called after the onStart method. This method ensures Android system that the activity is currently running. On pause method is called when an activity is minimized or a new activity is opened. Which means activity is not visible to the user. On stop method is called when the activity is being destroyed by the Android system. On destroy method is called when the activity is completely destroyed and removed from the activity stack.